Welcome to Best GIS tutorial. In today's lecture I will show you how to use freehand polygon tool in GIS software. This is GIS software. First go to catalog and create a shape file for digitization. So I create there a new shape file and go to new and click on shape file. Give name to the shape file. Select the feature type polygon and add coordinate here. Okay, on this. Okay. Now the shape file is created. You can see here. We can check the properties. This is the symbol selector of the shape file. Take this hollow and increase outline width. You can also change the color on this region. Click on OK. Now go to editor tool and start editing. Then come to create feature and click on the shape file and select freehand polygon tool. This is freehand tool. Pick this and zoom the map to the extent. So this is the district boundary. I digitize this boundary with the help of freehand polygon tool. Zoom it. To start digitization from that point, and this digitization we have no need to click on each pixel of the raster map. We will just move the cursor to follow the path of the base map by moving cursor. Click here and start digitization by moving cursor from the boundary. Here you see that I move cursor on the boundary of the base map and the map is digitized. It is the easy way of digitization in GIS with the help of freehand polygon tool. You see that there is no need of click on each pixel of the raster map. When I come back to the point from where I start the work, when I reach to that point, just click on that point. You can see it, the polygon is completed. If we want to digitize this boundary, then go to create feature and pick the art to complete freehand polygon tool and start digitization from that point. So I start from this point and just move the cursor on the base map. When I reach to the boundary of the previous digitized work, then click here, the map will be digitized. I digitize these two districts with the help of freehand polygon tool. Now you can see the work from here. When we uncheck this map, these two districts we digitize with the help of freehand polygon tool. By this way you can easily digitize all boundaries of the map which you want to digitize it. So it was the easy way to digitize a base map with the help of freehand polygon. Now when you digitize this boundary, then go to select feature tool and select this district and press the shift button on keyboard and also select this district. These both districts are selected. Now go to create feature and select auto complete freehand polygon, then digitize from here, start from here and follow the path of base map. You will digitize it very carefully to follow the path of base map. So when I reach to this district and click here, you can see that this district is also digitized. When you complete the digitization work, then go to editor tool, save your edits and stop the editing, and also go to file and save your work from here. If you have any question in this lecture, then please type your question in comment section. I will reply you. If you are new to our channel, then please subscribe our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.